Hi, this is a quick Loom video of camelAI's embedded product. If you go to console.camelai.com, it will take you to the login for our embedded product where you can create your API key, track usage, connect your data sources. Here is where you'd add everything, and this is where you'd also configure row-level security so that only, the users can only see the data that's connected to their accounts. And you could configure your themes, so this is giving you a taste of what it will look like once you have the iframe embedded into your product. It gives you a full chat experience. This is very important. This is where you can upload reference queries to help Camel understand your schema. And this is where you can put important items about your data into the knowledge base. I always recommend, at the very least, a strong description of what the data is and what your company does. But this is anything that a new hire would need to know. And this is where you can read all of the threads from your customers, manage your team, and check out all the documentation at camelai.com/API. /docs. This will walk you through how to get everything set up. Enjoy!